During winter, my home stays free of excess moisture. The windows don't fog up and there's no musty smell. All it takes is having this on the windowsill in every room. Start by taking a decorative glass container. Fill it with regular table salt. The cheapest kind works perfectly. Salt absorbs moisture, doesn't spoil, and can last for weeks. Next, add a capful of your favorite laundry detergent. Make sure it has a strong, pleasant fragrance. The next ingredient is rubbing alcohol, which has disinfectant, antifungal, and anti-mold properties. Add 3 tablespoons of it to the salt in the container. Place the prepared container on the windowsill, especially in rooms where you notice water collecting on the windows during winter. Not only will it release a lovely scent that everyone will ask about, but it will also absorb excess moisture from the windows. This prevents condensation and stops mold from forming on window seals. I've been using this trick in my home for years. My apartment smells so beautifully that you can even smell it in the hallway. It's a scent of cleanliness and flowers. No store-bought diffuser is as effective. Want your home to smell exceptionally beautiful too? All you need is 1 small container. Pour ordinary baking soda into it. Add 2 tablespoons of these little balls. They are scented laundry pearls. They have an extraordinary aroma. Mix them with the soda in the container. Take some baby oil and pour 2 tablespoons into the container. Mix everything again. The oil will activate the pearls and release their scent. Now you can add another ingredient. If you have your favorite essential oil, you can add a few drops to your homemade diffuser. But you can also add a few cloves instead, place them on top, or arrange them in a circle as I do. A few pieces are enough. Finally, add the sticks. Now, the whole thing looks beautiful. You can place such a diffuser anywhere you like. You'll feel like you're in a real spa. You'll always have a fragrant home. When the diffuser stops working, just make another one. Its cost is not high, but the effect is amazing. The ventilation grill will work like new. Just one thing is enough to clean it without removing it. The amount of moisture in the bathroom and throughout the house depends on the operation of the ventilator. Few people check if it works properly, but all it takes is a piece of paper. If you put it against the grill, it should stick. If the ventilation properly extracts air, it will hold the paper or piece of paper without any problems. But what if the ventilation isn't working properly? Check if the grill itself needs cleaning. If there is a lot of dirt and dust on it, it may restrict its operation. Some grills can be removed. Before you do that, prepare some baking soda. Dilute it with water. Take the grill and a toothbrush. Clean the grill above the sink. Rinse it off and reinstall it. You can also clean the grill without removing it. All you need is a cloth and a knife. Dampen the cloth with dishwashing liquid. Wrap it around the knife. This way, you can clean the slots in the ventilation grill without removing it. Some grills can accumulate a lot of dirt. After such a treatment, the ventilation should work much better. I'll show you how to reuse it. I'm sure you didn't know this method. You won't need to buy refills anymore. And your home will be filled with a delightful scent without extra spending. Take an empty plug-in air freshener container. Carefully unscrew the lid and remove the wick and seal. Grab some laundry scent beads. These beads are not just for laundry. Their uniqueness lies in being a concentrated source of fragrance that lasts for days. Pick your favorite scent and color for this trick. Pour the beads into the empty container, but don't fill it completely. Then, add a small amount of water. The water will help dissolve the beads gradually, releasing the fragrance slowly and evenly over time. Securely close the container, screw it back into the diffuser, and plug it in. This simple trick will fill your room with the fresh, long-lasting scent of your favorite beads. In just a few easy steps, you've created your own air freshener. Your home will be free from moisture. You'll never see mold on your walls again. To start, take 3 or 4 lemons. Roll the lemons back and forth with a flat hand to make it easier to extract more juice. Lemon juice has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. Then, cut each lemon in half and squeeze the juice. You should get around 400 milliliters from 3 large lemons. Next, add a small spoon of granulated garlic to the lemon juice. The allicin in garlic inhibits the growth of mold and mildew. Mix everything thoroughly. Also, add a small spoon of cinnamon. Now, take a sieve and a tall container to strain the mixture. Use a coffee filter or gauze for straining. Slowly pour the liquids into the container, allowing the cinnamon to remain in the filter. Grab a funnel and a plastic spray bottle. Pour the liquid into the bottle and close it tightly. Shake the mixture well, so all ingredients combine. Use this mixture on areas prone to mold and mildew. Spray the tiles and grout in the shower. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then wipe the surfaces with a cloth. Mold and mildew around windows are common problems. This homemade solution will help you eliminate the issue once and for all. Once a year, try a trick I learned from a plumber to keep your shower in top shape for many years. Begin by unscrewing the shower hose from the shower head. You'll likely see limescale and sludge inside. Now, grab a regular kitchen sponge. This will be your secret tool. Cut off a thin piece, removing the rough side and trimming the edges to make it as thin as possible. Place the sponge in a small bowl and pour vinegar over it to soak for a few seconds. Vinegar's natural descaling properties make it perfect for this task. Next, insert the soaked sponge into the shower hose. You can use a straw to help push it all the way in. The water pressure will push the sponge through, flushing out the built-up limescale and dirt. This simple sponge trick will thoroughly clean your hose. For the shower head, you can remove any mold or limescale by adding a tablespoon of baking soda inside, followed by a little vinegar. Place the shower head in a sealed bag, adding a cup of vinegar. Secure the bag so the shower head is fully submerged. The reaction will help break down the limescale. Let it sit for 30 minutes. You'll see floating limescale bits inside. Afterward, reattach the shower head and run the water to flush out any remaining dirt. This method will deep clean your shower, prevent quick limescale buildup, and extend the life of your shower. With this cleaning method, limescale won't build up on your faucet for up to 3 weeks. Using a dishwasher rinse aid, you can easily remove accumulated limescale and residue. Limescale and buildup on faucets and shower heads are common issues, especially in areas with hard water. Hard water contains high concentrations of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which leave stubborn stains and streaks on surfaces. Regular cleaning and proper care are key to tackling this problem. The solution? Dishwasher Rinse Aid. Applying this product to faucets and shower heads is a quick and effective way to remove buildup and achieve gleaming surfaces. Its acidic formula breaks down tough stains, while its protective properties help prevent dirt and limescale from forming again. To use, simply apply a small amount of rinse aid to a cloth or sponge and gently polish the surface. The rinse aid not only removes limescale and residue, but also leaves a protective coating that keeps surfaces cleaner for longer. With this method, your faucet and shower head will shine like new. Enjoy long-lasting cleanliness and a polished look in your bathroom.